everyone, I'm Mike from HUAYEE Machinery. Today I bring our famous skid loader 480C, this truck skid loader. About this 480C, I want to introduce some information. This machine for which purpose work is perfect. I think this machine can work enough for project work or for this home work. This machine is double cylinder, also have heavy cylinder to bucket. Maybe some people will ask why this have 3-piece pipe. Because we have 2 pieces for power, for attachment. We have the overflow one pipes. Because some attachment have motor work, they have the overflow, so they will be not make the hydraulic heat. Will be directly for hydraulic tank. About this truck, this rubber truck will be working for construction is hold this your machine not get more vibration. About our bucket, around we can up to 8 feet. Also we can load 1,800 pounds. About our quick hitch, around 10 seconds we can easily to change another attachment. Our pipe is international pipe. It's male, female, also have overflow. About our hydraulic pipe, we all two sides use the steel cover to protect. If you work in construction, you don't need every time attention the hydraulic pipe get attached. So about this mountain, we also use hard steels. I will show this machine hydraulic system and engine. But before we open this cover, we need to be careful. This will be hot. We have this lock, this for the cover. About this hydraulic cooler, we have the fan. In the hydraulic tank, we have the sensor. After 75 degrees will be this fan work. Make a hydraulic system in the good temperature system that work. About our hydraulic pump, we use 3-piece hydraulic pump. Maybe someone will be asked why have 2 pieces in 3-piece out, because inside have the line. So this totally we have 3-piece hydraulic pump. Also have 3-piece control valve. This set for left side truck and bucket. This set for right side truck and boom up down. This set for attachment, like second hydraulic pump control this set. About our hydraulic pipe, maybe someone ask why have 2-piece section pipe, 3-piece out line. Because this inside have the line, so this make the pump like smaller. Will be fitting this give some space. Also is we have 3-piece control valve. This right side for is right side truck and bucket. This left side for left truck and boom up down. This middle side for attachment. Also we have the steel pipe. Also is easily system. You can easily to maintain this, easily understand this system. About this cylinder, we also have the cover. Make the temperature is inside, not make the hot. Here I have one old swimming pool. Today I will use 480C make the farm. Let's see this 480C performance. Make one mistake. This bucket have one lock, but I forget the lock is the bucket. So when you're working, you need attention the lock anytime you need to lock. display, we have the power out, this choke, this is for fuel gauge, this for temperature, this for this engine, how many hours is running, this for horn, this for light, this for throttle. We have two joysticks. This left side for this track, left side forward and reverse. This for this main boom is up and boom down. This right side joystick for right side track is forward and reverse. This is for bucket is load and unload. This for attachment for forward, rotate and reverse. We also can lock that. Today I show this machine bucket performance. What do you think about this machine? You can, if you have more information about this machine you want to know, you can call us.